On today's video, we're going to show you a simple contract entry. To start, go to our website, goldstandardautomotive.com. Go over to Menu, select For Dealerships, then select Dealer Portal Login. This will redirect you to our rating site, where you'll enter your credentials. Your username will be your email, your password will be the password that you've created. Select Login. Once you've logged in, it'll automatically come to our quote screen where you can do a quick quote, or we will show you today how to create a contract from start to finish. To start, we'll put in the VIN, then odometer, select pre-owned, and then in this case, it's asking for the trim of the vehicle, which you'll come over here and select the trim. Once that has been put in, you'll see that the attributes of the vehicle will automatically pull up. Come down to the product section, and today we're going to show you the maintenance and the key options by clicking on this blue magnifying glass next to AP. It'll bring up all the available products by the VIN that you've entered. With this, we're going to focus on the maintenance only today by selecting the bubble of which term that you would like. Come over to options, select the surcharge if you'd like to do the highline maintenance, click OK, and now you can see it's adjusted your pricing. Once that product has been selected, hit select, and you'll now see that it's entered all of the information on the line. But before you select submit, click on the little caret between the retail box and the options. This will show you the breakdown of your cost and to see what your F&I markup is. And in this case, there is no markup, so we're going to add one. We're going to add $500, so it'll be now $751. Click on the caret again to ensure that it's everything that you need before you hit submit. Click submit, because now this is going to show you how to create the contract from start to finish, now that we've just shown you how to do a quick quote. Click submit, and now you can see all the fields that are going to be required to finish out this contract. So we're going to enter all of the boxes that are in red. That way it'll generate a contract for us. Once all of that information has been entered, now you can come back down to the submit button to where now it will generate a contract for you. Once you click submit, the contract will pull up, and now you will be able to print it off. And in this case, we'll show you where the customer would need to sign, as well as use the dealership. You can see the dealer information, customer information, the covered vehicle, and the two boxes here. One is where the customer will sign, you as the dealership will sign here. And the rest of it, the customer can preview. Make sure that you give a copy to the customer as well as put one in their dealer jacket. As well as you can see that now all of the contract information is entered here to where you can now select and look at it additionally if needed. That is how you create a contract with Gold Standard. Thank you.